Hello my dear students. Let us continue with the chapter that is structured query language. In our previous video we have once again have a revised of basic commands, that is create, update, insert, alter, drop, delete, right, and select. And then we have also seen about the comparison operators. Now in this video, let us start with the logical operators. But before I start with the logical operator, some of the examples I'll be showing you so that you can see how we have used the select command in order to retrieve the record, okay, from the table. Okay, we have the different kinds of uses of the select command. Mainly based upon condition you can retrieve the record, or based upon the matching value you can retrieve the record, or it will also help you to completely display the contents of the particular table. Now suppose for an example, if I have a table known as student, in my previous videos we have taken as the table name as student, who had the fields as the register number, name and the combination. Now if I want to weave the complete contents of that particular table, then I need to write a query as select star from table name. Is a syntax. This is a syntax, select star from table name. Right now I want to weave the contents of my particular table known as student, then I would have written the query as select star from student and then put a semicolon. So when I execute that particular query, the entire student table would be displayed along with all the records. Okay, now with this example I have already created a table known as the customer, wherein I have given the field name as ID. I can, looking at the content, you can make out this is the having the data type known as data type as number. Then you can specify the size 1, 2, or it's left to you. Then I have created one more field name of varchar 2 of 20 I have given. Then age, again looking at this, it should be of number. My age will be having as 2, size as 2 I'll be giving. Then address I can give as varchar 2 of 25. Okay, or you can also, because depending on this, anyhow these are only just the characters, then you can also give varchar 2 of 10 also fine. Then we have salary. Then I have here I have given in terms of the decimal I have given. So again salary you can take it as a decimal 8,2. So like that I have created my table. Okay, now I want to entirely see the contents, then I need to write a query as select star from customers and semicolon. When I execute, the entire table will be displayed onto my desktop with all the contents. I hope you are able to understand. Moving on to the next form of select command. Now I want to see the specific columns in my table. If you just, I have told you about the asterisk. This is important. This asterisk actually indicates that it wants all the records. Now if I don't mention the particular condition, in my previous video I had given an example, select star from student where name is equal to Rajesh. That was my query, isn't it? So that asterisk would actually retrieve all the information related to the student known as Rajesh I had said. But here I didn't specify any of the condition. If I don't specify any of the condition, just if I write this particular query, asterisk actually retrieves all the records of the table. Now next form, as I said, I don't want to see all the columns. I want to specifically see only few columns from that particular table. Then how to write the syntax. First we shall see about syntax, then we shall see the example. Select, I have to use again the cell because we are retrieving certain things. Okay, certain columns we are retrieving from particular table. So select column 1, column 2, column up to n. Okay, it might be only one column data you want to see, or 2 columns it's left to you. Then from which table you have to mention as table name here. So similarly I have written an example here. Select ID, name, salary from customers. When I execute this particular query, instead of displaying the entire table, only the contents of that is only the columns of the ID, name and salary, that contents will be displayed. It is very much similar. You can see Ramesh, Kilan, Kaushik, Chaitali, Hardik, Komal, Mafi you are having. Similarly, here also we have the same. All 7 records are there. Here also 7 records are there. Understood? So, if I want to see the particular columns only of the particular table, then it should be executed. Similarly, I can write select register number, comma name from student. When I say, then we had previously register number, name and combination. So combination, it will leave only 2 columns about the register number and the name would be displayed. Okay, this is second form. Then the third form is, suppose based upon the single value matching, I want to retrieve particular record. Then I have to use the select command because it is retrieving the answer to you. So select column 1, column 2, column n from the table name where specify the single value matching. That means what example you can see so that clearly you can understand. Select ID, I want ID, name, salary from which table customers where name is equal to Hardik. I have given as name is equal to Hardik. Then it would retrieve me the ID only, the name only and the salary related to the person known as Hardik. So ID is 5, Hardik 8500 is the salary. You can see here. I have chosen in my original table you see. So Hardik's ID is 5, Hardik here and his salary is 8500. So age and address is not been included. So based upon this particular name known as Hardik, this select command is retrieving me the record from the table. I hope you are able to understand, students. Moving on to the next example. I think this is previous example I had taken what? I think select register number, select register number, then name, okay, from student where name is equal to Rajesh. I had taken, I think, select register number from student where name is equal to Rajesh, this one. So when I gave, that is particular matching, I have clearly mentioned as name to be as Rajesh in my previous example. Then moving on to the next one is, that is based upon condition. If I want to retrieve any of the records from the table, then I would have a syntax like, select column name, column 1, 2 up to column n from table name where condition you have to specify. Syntax is very important. Okay. Similarly, how do I write? See, select ID, comma name, comma salary from customers where salary is greater than 2000. I want all the records. I want the records where all the salary is greater than 2000. Understood? Now look at the original table here. Okay. So salary is greater than 2000 they said. So this would not come, I think. Correct? So here we shall see. Yes, salary is greater than 2000 they have given. So this wouldn't be selected. This wouldn't be selected. Then this would be selected. Correct? So previous, yeah. These two will be discarded. This would not be again, again it will be discarded because it is having 2000. This would be selected where name is Chaitali would be selected, Hardik would be selected, then Komal and Mafi. And what all the fields I had given? Again ID, name and salary. Now let us see only those 4 we have selected. Yes, Chaitali, Hardik, Komal and Mafi. So based upon the salary, based upon the condition, we are retrieving the records. Now herein it might be only select ID comma name. Okay, select ID comma name from customers where salary is greater than 2000. Also if you give, only ID and name would be displayed and the salary column would not be displayed. You can have n number of columns to be there. If I don't mention ID, name and salary, if I had written select star from customers where salary is greater than 2000, if this I had written, carefully listen, select star from customers where salary is greater than 2000, if I have written, what the asterisk indicates, it actually retrieves all the records wherever the salary would be greater than the 2000. That means how it would be displayed, this entire table wherein Ramesh, Khilan, Kaushik, only these three records would never be displayed. Only Chaitali, full ID, name, age, address, salary, everything, right from Chaitali to the Muffy, with all the records it would display. Why? Because we are using there as an asterisk. So select star from customers where salary is greater than 2000. If I give, then right from here to here it would be display me the contents. So these are the few of the examples. Like now I can display all the contents here. I can display the contents only based upon the columns. I can display the content, display in the sense retrieve the contents based upon single matching. It's a single, I was very specific, only single record if I want to display, then I have to use this particular syntax. And if I want to retrieve based upon any condition, irrespective of any number of records it might be, then I have to use this particular format of the select command. Understood, students? I hope the examples are clear. Make a note of it. They are very, very important from your practical point of view plus the final exam point of view. Now let us move on to the logical operators first. Okay, we shall see that discuss about the logical operators. So the first logical operator here is the all operator. The all operator is used to compare the value to all the values in another value set. Okay, so you may not understand just because of because of this description. Here I'll be showing you the example. So you can see here, select star from customer. When I have executed, I got this particular table which has been already there. So it also gives you 7 rows has been displayed. Understood? Now I'll just show you the usage of AND command here. We have the inner query and outer query. Remember, anything which with the brackets, if it is written, first the inner query will be executed. Now let us see here first. Select age. Okay, I am choosing only one column. Select age from customers where salary is greater than 6,500. That means it is telling me to select the age where salary is greater than 6,500. First it will see, first based on condition, this is discarded, no. Here also it will not be selected because greater than. These three will be selected, correct? But what it should select? Only age they said. So what is their age? 27, 22 and 24. 27, 22 and 24. So how the query would be now? Select star from customers where age is greater than all 27, 22, 24 it would be. Now, what is the outer query? Select star from customers where age is greater than all. Where age is greater than all, 27, 22 and 24 means the age should be greater than 27, age should be greater than 22, should be greater than 24. Then amongst all the greatest means what? That is 32. Understood? So, 22 is again 22 if you consider, 23 also may come, you may say, but which is the highest age there? 27. That means it should satisfy all these. 20 is more, the age should be greater than 27. Okay, the highest is this one. So greater than 27 means which are the left out? That is 32. Then it, and since we are using asterisk here, the related information regarding 32, everything would be displayed, like 1 Ramesh 32, Ahmedabad and his salary is 2000. Like this the select command is being used. So here what happens, if I had just directly given you example of select, you may not understand. So the previous some of the examples I have taught you regarding the select command. So here what happens, inner query, if at all this is outer query, this is inner query. If like this, if the queries are always inner queries will be executed first and then the outer queries. Whatever the answer you get from inner query will be taken by the outer query. Once again I'll tell you, select age from customers where salary is greater than 6,500. First you need to see the condition. Based on condition we have only these 4, correct? Okay, and they are telling you to select only age they are selling. Now 3 they will be consider. So age 27, 22 and 24. The answer will be there here 27, 22, 24. Now select star from customers where age is greater than, they said. Greater than all. What is the functionality of all operator? It compares the value to all the values in another set. What are the values in another set here? 27, 22 and 24. So it should compare. The original table would compare what the answer they have retrieved. So that age should be greater than 27, which is the highest one. So comparatively that is 32. So 32 is been displayed. So this is how the logical all operator would work. Now moving on to the next operator here is the AND operator. So the AND operator allows the existence of multiple conditions in an SQL statement by using where clause. That means existence of multiple conditions means multiple how many conditions you have mentioned, all those conditions should be true. Okay, then only AND clause would retrieve you as the answer. Look at here. We have the static table as select star from customer. Then here select star from customer where age is greater than or equal to 25 and salary also should be greater than or equal to 6,500. So it should not that if age is greater than 25 and salary is 1,000. No, both should satisfy here. If both should satisfy, firstly you look at the age. You can look at the age. Now this age is greater than 25 it's greater. But whether the what is other condition, salary also should be greater than 6,500. Is it so? No. It will not be considered. Then here it is greater than equal to 25. Yes. But what about salary? It's not satisfying. Look at here. Age only is not satisfying. So leave it. Moving on to the next one. Age is 25. What is the salary? Should be greater than or equal to, they are telling. Then yes, it will consider this one, Chaitali. Then again 27 age is there. What is the salary? 8,500. Okay, so age is here is 27. Okay, 8,500, correct. Then age next one is that both will be considered. Age is 22. Here it doesn't satisfy. It fails the age. If age is only failing, age condition is failing, then it will not go for salary checking. Understood? Then again 24. Here age only doesn't satisfy. So only Chaitali and Hardik will be selected. And here again it is asterisk. Therefore, all the contents regarding Chaitali and Hardik will be retrieved by the command known as the select command. Okay, this is how the usage of the AND operator will be done with the SQL statement. I hope you are able to understand, students. Moving on to the next one, that is the command is any. Okay, so I'll show you any. The any operator is used to compare the value to any applicable value in the list according to the condition. Okay, so previously arithmetic and comparison operators you would clearly understand how they work, but here logical operators, okay, and or not you may easily understand, but all, any, between you may not easily understand. That is why I am showing the working of those operators. So here in any we shall see. Yeah, look at here. First, always, as I said, inner query will be executed. So select age from customers where salary is greater than 6,500. So what they are telling, salary is greater than 6,500, then you just see here. Okay, so here is 8,500. Yes, this one will be selected and this one. Select their age they are telling. So select their age. 8,500 means what? It is 27, and here the age would be selected as 24. Correct? So then select the star from customers where age is greater than any of 27, 24 it would be. Understood? Any of age 27 and 24. That means any is used to compare the values, okay, to the applicable value in the list. Now in the list what I got is 27 and 24. So with these 27 and 24, it will help you to select those ages which are greater than 27 and 24. In that case what happens? 32 will be selected where age is greater than 27, correct? 25 will be selected because age is greater than 24 is there, so 25 it will select. 23 will not be selected because 27 and 24 we are having, so 23 is less than both of them. And here 25 again it will be selected here, then it will select 27, but it will not select 22 and 24 because they are not greater than 27 and 24. One change you can observe here, any it is selecting, it will helping you to select the age greater than 27 as well as the 24 also. But in my previous, okay, that is all what it was doing, with the highest it was saying higher than 27, then only it was able to display. It will consider the highest age, whereas anything which is between their inner list as 27, 24, accordingly that it is selecting the age. That is why Ramesh, Khilan, Chaitali and Hardik contents are being displayed when this query is executed. Any, that means select age from the customers where salary is greater than 6,500 means here only 2 I get, that is 27, 24. So that is the answer of this inner query. So select staff from customer where age is greater than any means, any in the sense it should be greater than 27 or it can be greater than the 24. Both, anything is fine here with the help of the any. So based upon that it will retrieve, whereas in case of the and we have seen, it should either, so here inner query what it was selected here, age greater than 6,500, 27 and 24, age should be greater than 27, okay, because it is taking the highest, cannot be 24, only highest it is considering, therefore only one record I got is 32. That is what is all. I hope you are making the difference between all and any. Children, next some of the logical operators we shall study in our next video. I hope you are able to understand these queries. So make a note of all these queries whatever I am showing you as the example. So these are very important from your practical point of view, and as and when we are seeing these examples related to the practical also, some of the I'll be showing you some of the exercises so that you can clearly understand. Okay, thank you students, take care of yourself.